a bit of history. For many decades, the Commission on Filipinos Overseas was located in Paco, Manila. And that was a strategic location. So it had some benefits that we did not seem to enjoy when the office was briefly in Quezon City. So the decision to move was based on three things. Saan po ba mas convenient para sa mga taong sinisilbihan namin, our constituents? Mabuti po sa kanila ito because malapit po sa airport, maaari po silang lumuwas papuntang Manila, mag-attend po ng orientation seminar at diretso na po sila sa airport. Noong po nasa Quezon City kami, maraming pong mga constituents na nag-overnight pa in Manila. And secondly po, tulad na sabi ko kanina, matagal pong nasa Paco ang CFO. Ngayon po nasa Pasay kami, it benefits po 70% of our employees who live in Manila, Southern Metro Manila, and neighboring provinces, primarily Cavite. And then thirdly po, because of the ban on POGOs, there were a lot of opportunities to consider, and it was more financially, economically for us, more economical for us to choose this location over where we were previously.
Sir, baka may message po kayo sa community who would like to seek the services of
Opo, siguro paalala lang po sa mga constituents ng Commission on Filipinos Overseas. Nasa Pasay City na po kami. At ito rin po ang naka-reflect sa aming website, social media. At sa partnership, dahil na rin po sa partnership ng CFO with the ICT, makikita po doon na pag-travel po sila using the e-travel app. Lalabas po doon na andito na po yung mga services po namin sa Pasay City, ang bago pong home ng Commission on Filipinos.